Tamil Nadu politics is heating up as the 2026 assembly elections come closer. Now, a new development is catching everyone's attention. A proposed list of candidates from AMMK led by TTV Dinakaran has been released, and it is creating strong political buzz. AMMK is a part of the National Democratic Alliance, also known as NDA. Compared to the ruling Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam Alliance, the NDA seems to be moving faster in planning and preparation. Recently, several parties in the NDA alliance, including Bharatiya Janata Party, PMK, AMMK and others, officially announced how seats will be divided among them. Meanwhile, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy from AIADMK has already made key announcements like seat sharing, manifesto plans and campaign strategies. On the other hand, Dinakaran is now focused on selecting strong candidates for the constituencies given to AMMK. Let's look at some important constituencies where the fight is expected to be intense. Periyakulam, Theni district. Currently held by DMK, the seat saw AMMK finish third in the last election, but this time with AIADMK and AMMK possibly joining forces, the contest could become much tighter. Mannargudi. This is the stronghold of DMK minister TRB Raja, who has won 3 times in a row with a huge margin. However, if opposition votes combine, this seat may see a closer fight than before. Karaikudi, a star battle. This constituency is attracting major attention. Seaman from NTK is contesting here and other strong candidates are also active. With multiple players, votes may split heavily, making the result unpredictable and challenging for AMMK. Tirupattur. This seat is currently held by DMK Minister K.R. Periyakarapan, who has been winning for several terms. Winning here will not be easy for AMMK. Nanguneri. This seat is held by Congress leader Ruby Manoharan. There is a hope in the NDA that combining votes could help them win. But again, vote division may change the final outcome. Tiruchi West, a major challenge for AMMK. The seat belongs to DMK Minister K.N. Nehru, who won by a huge margin last time. Even with alliances, this remains a tough battle. Chennai region battles in Saidapet, DMK Minister M. Subramaniam holds a strong position. Similarly, Ponnamale is also expected to see a tight contest. Madathukulam, a positive sign. This constituency is currently held by AIADMK's C. Mahendran. This could work in favor of AMMK if alliance support is strong. Overall, the proposed AMMK candidate list has increased curiosity in Tamil Nadu politics. While the NDA is moving quickly with planning and alliances, the real challenge will be on the ground, especially with strong DMK leaders, multiple parties and the possibility of vote splitting. The big question now is, can Dinakaran and his team turn this strategy into victory in 2026? Only time will tell.